We want to say on behalf of YouTube and our Love Train family, we want to present these products to you, and we say thank you for being yourselves, and we enjoy
Stay tuned.
helping you.
This is Life in the Philippines. Breaking news alert.
Hello, my friends. This is BobbieD coming to you from Talamban, Cebu, Philippines. I'm having an awesome day in the Philippines today, and I hope you are as well wherever you're from. Hey, today I want to talk to you about taken too soon in the Philippines. Taken too soon in the Philippines. Now, when we talk about the Philippines, you understand this is a country where the average life expectancy is less than 70 years old. And I want to talk to you today about a personal story. What I deem to be a personal tragedy of a family member on the Filipino side. Recently, my uncle on the Philippine side from Lisa met his demise. And it was tragic, it was hurtful, and it was painful all at the same time. My uncle, our uncle, Renil Bernardo, was taken too soon. Here's the life of a man that grew up in Dilian on a farm. Decided he wanted to move to Cebu for better life and start a family. So he met a young lady in Cebu, started a family, got a job, started working construction, doing pretty good for himself. Children came along, 5 kids, own their own house, doing well. So here's what happened. One evening, he was working on a job. And customarily, a lot of Filipinos that are in construction will not only work on their job at the construction site, but they'll stay there and sleep there as well. And they'll sleep there Monday through Friday because it saves money from having to go home. Renil lived in Consolacion. And he worked in Mactan, so it was a long distance. So to save money, he would sleep there as well, come home on the weekends. So one night, they just gotten through with their work, and they were sitting around playing cards and chit-chatting. And all of a sudden, the supervisor told Neil that he would no longer be able to sleep in the particular area that he chose. He'd been sleeping there since he got there. So he had some words. And they were pretty heated. And at And they got through with their conversation, and everything was, O'Neill thought everything was cool. So he begins to sit down at the table and start eating his late night snack like he normally does. And all of a sudden, he gets hit in the head with a 2x4. It crushed his skull, fractured several neck vertebrae. And he laid on the ground for hours till an ambulance came. Took him to the hospital, operated on him. His heart stopped twice. First time, they were able to revive him. Second time, we were not able to revive him as a result of his injuries. Uncle O'Neill Bernardo died, taken too soon. Now, the perpetrator was the nephew of the supervisor that O'Neill had the argument with. So he is nowhere to be found at this time. The nephew is nowhere to be found. Rumor has it he's ran into the provinces. And you people that live in the Philippines know that if you go to the province, you can hide there forever. Nobody's gonna find you. So he's still at large. And our dear beloved departed uncle is gone. Now he's left behind a wife and 5 boys, young boys. And the wife is 3 months pregnant. So he's got 5 boys and another child on the way. O'Neill Bernardo was taken away too soon. This had a very traumatic effect on me. I knew O'Neill briefly. Lisa D knew him for her entire life. She was his uncle. He was only about eight years older than her. He was about 38 years old. He was taken away too soon. He was like a big brother to her. She took it hard. I took it hard. I only knew him a little bit, but I knew him more after I began to associate with his family, his wife, the ones he left behind, his children. Needless to say, Lisa D and I are going to do everything within our power to assist his family on a going forward basis. They need help.
Okay, this is Russell, brother and his brothers, Rand, and they're gonna carry the rice. That's how they carry the rice, on the head, on the shoulder. We got alcohol, and we got food. Okay, thank you so much. Say thank you to the people that gave the money for this. His name is Carlton. Say thank you, Sir Carlton. Say thank you, Sir Carlton.
Say thank you to Carlton.
Thank you, Sir Carlton.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day, guys. See you later. Be good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, my friend, this is BobbieD coming to you from the Lombard, Cebu, Philippines. Having an awesome time in the Philippines today. Hope you are as well, wherever you're from. We have the Bernardo family here with us, and we're at their location. We got the mother, Miss Theresa. How are you? We have to do social distancing. And we got the little girl. What's your name, little girl? Rain? Is it Rain? Her name is Rain. We got Rain, and Russell is the oldest. And what's this guy's name? Huh? Raji. And who is this? Ran. That's it? What's his name? Huh? Richie. And Richie, and this,
Ryan is outside.
where's Ryan? Asa Ryan? Asa Ryan Paliog? Huh?
Laag.
Asa?
Asa nila?
Next time when we come out here, make sure everybody's here. We have people to give you things. We need to see the entire family, okay? We give you things because we love you, but we have to see everybody. When we see everybody, that means you appreciate what we're doing for you. Everybody needs to be present because people are giving you these things. They paid money for this thing. This is over 4,000 pesos worth of groceries, okay? And it's people that give it to you from love, but you gotta we want to see the whole family, not just part. These people give from the bottom of their heart because they love you and want to help. But you gotta see, they want to see the whole family, okay? All right, Lisa D, let's get this stuff out. We have 25 kilos of rice, case of eggs, so it's been a very good day today. This is the entire family. One of the sons is missing. What's her name? Huh? Who is this? Get out. Boo. Uno. All right. So this is, what's your name? Red. Okay, so you got 25 kilos of rice. We want to say on behalf of YouTube and our Love Train family, we want to present these products to you, and we say thank you for being yourselves, and we enjoy helping you. What do you have to say to the people?
Thank you for these goods and rice.
Mama,
Well appreciated.
Mama, Mama.
Kasi may kasulti na lang sa salamat. Salamat kayo sa pagkaon nga gihatag namo.
Oh, why is it pa yung mama? Okay, so they live, where's your house? Their house is over there. We're not gonna go over there, but we just wanted to bring this to them so y'all can see everything. Lisa D is right here. We've had a busy day today, and we want to present this to you so you can have a good meal tonight. What y'all gonna eat first? We got noodles, we got rice. What else you bring? Canned goods, eggs, hot dogs. You gonna cook today, Mama? Are you going to cook? Okay. Y'all gonna have a fiesta today, huh? Okay. Anyway, that's it. This is BobbieD and Lisa D
Alisa D.
saying take care
God bless.
and peace. Peace. All right, that's it, guys.
Sorry.
Appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Hey.
A towering presence, run like the wind. Be a king or a queen. Life in the Philippines.